Welcome to our channel. Your thoughts carry the blueprint of your future. Your belief is the fuel that builds it, and your energy that is the signal that the universe listens to. Here are some powerful manifestation tricks that do not just sound good, they work. Not by chance but by clarity, consistency, and confidence. 1. Morning command ritual. Before the world claims your energy, you command your day. Every morning, stand tall, breathe deep, and stay out loud with conviction. Today I welcome abundance, I lead with purpose, attract what aligns with my growth. It's not just words, it's self-leadership. This ritual programs your subconscious to expect success, not survive the day. Every champion starts the day with certainty, so should you. 2. The why not me mirror challenge. Look into the mirror, not to check your flaws, but to meet your future. Say it. If it's possible for them, it's possible for me. Why not me? This trick tears down jealousy, self-doubt and victimhood. It fuels your worth and ignites your drive. Speak your desire out loud in front of your reflection. Feel the fire in your gut. Let that become your daily reminder. You're not too late, you're right on time. 3. The energy audit alignment method. Manifestation is not only about asking, it's about matching the energy of what you want. Ask yourself, does how I think, speak, act, and surround myself match the life I want? This is your energy audit. Let go of draining habits, cut off what distracts, and align yourself with clarity, peace, and power. Because energy is contagious, and the universe mirrors back what you radiate. 4. Act as if. Walk like it, talk like it, live like it. When you behave as if you have already achieved the dream, you attract it faster. Why? Because you start making decisions as that person, not the old you. Confidence grows, doubts shrink. You do not fake it, you embody it. 5. Gratitude amplifier. What more? Appreciate what is already here. Every night, write 3 things you are grateful for. Not just big wins, the small ones matter too. Because even if your small dream is fulfilled, the impact is big. It boosts your confidence. For example, a smile from a stranger, a good meal, a peaceful breath. Gratitude trains your brain to focus on abundance. And where attention goes, energy flows. 6. Affirmation with emotion. Saying I am successful will not change your life. But feeling it as you say it will help change your life. Stand up, close your eyes, breathe deeply, and affirm with emotion. I am becoming the person I admire. I deserve good things. I am ready for more. Affirmations work when you believe them, and you believe them when you feel them. The only thing stronger than belief is doubt, and doubt is like a silent poison, and it kills dreams from the inside. So when the voice says, "What if I fail?" answer back, "What if I fly?" Your belief is not name, it is necessary. Replace doubt with faith and watch things shift. 8. Inspired action. The universe responds to action, not waiting. Do you have a vision? Take the first step, then the next. Success is not in massive leaps. It's in consistent, inspired moves. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Create it because the momentum multiplies. 9. Mirror work. Your most powerful conversation is the one you have with yourself. Look deep into your own eyes and say, I am worthy, I forgive myself, I am growing. Yes, it feels awkward at first, but that mirror becomes a window to your higher self. Meet them every day. 10. Let go and trust. After planting a seed, you do not dig it up daily to check on it. You trust it will grow. Manifestation works the same. Do your part and surrender the rest. Let go of timelines, let go of desperation. Trust the divine timing. What is meant for you is already making its way. 11. Scripting. Write in a journal as if your desired life has already happened. Example, I am so grateful for any new job where I feel valued, creative, and financially abundant. Every morning I wake up excited to start the day. Why it works? It trains the subconscious mind through repetition. 12. Visualization. In this method, a person spends picturing his goals in vivid detail. He uses all senses: sight, sound, smell. Close your eyes and feel the success. Do not just see it. Why it works? The brain does not know the difference between real and vividly imagined experiences. It rewires accordingly. 13. 369 method, Nikola Tesla inspired. Write your intention 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, 9 times at night. Example, I am attracting rupees 5 lakhs per month through joyful work. Why it works? Repetition with intent reprograms your subconscious. 13. Pillow method, manifest in your sleep. Repeat your affirmation before bed. Success is chasing me, I am already blessed. Motivation boost. Sleep like you have already won. Rest in confidence. Your dreams do not sleep. They gather momentum while you sleep. Is there one manifestation method that works fully? Yes and no. Here is the truth. 14. The only method that fully works. The method you actually believe in and practice consistently. The core principle of manifestation is this: your thoughts, emotions, and consistent actions produce your reality. So, while techniques like visualization, affirmations, 369, or scripting are tools, they are not magic spells. The real magic happens when you believe it's possible, feel it as already done, act toward it without giving up, detach and trust the process. You are a magnet for miracles, but first you must become what you seek. Try any 3 of these today and watch how your world starts to shift. So, if you want one technique that works best, try this combination, the power trio. 1. Visualize daily with strong emotion. 2. Take inspired action every single day. 3. Practice gratitude even for what has not arrived yet. The combo activates your mind, heart, and behavior, all aligned toward your desire. This alignment causes things to manifest faster and more effectively. Some people manifest just by feeling grateful. Others swear by scripting or mirror work. But all of them have one thing in common: they were consistent, emotionally involved, and kept showing up. Avoid these mistakes. Just doing a method mechanically without belief or emotion. Obsessing over the outcome and not taking action. Giving up too soon because nothing happened. Conclusion: the one method that fully works is the one you practice with belief, emotion, consistency, and action. Which method will you choose? Start manifesting now. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.